Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today's Mastering the Body tip is all about caring for your intuitive self. An intuitive person is one who pretty much can't stay grounded, and therefore many of the activities that are helpful when you're off duty are going to include grounding. One of them is moving meditation, and that would be working with Tai Chi Chuan, Qigong exercises, martial arts, just about anything where you're working with energy, bringing that movement in to the physical. Sitting and meditating can also be helpful. When you're doing that, ask your spirit guides for some information, some help in the work you're doing, and let them bring in some help for you. On a more physical method is taking baths, salt baths. You can use Epsom salts or sea salt. Add in lavender if you so desire, but the salt clears the emotional body, which collects a lot of garbage while you're working. Therefore, cleansing that energy field is very, very helpful for the intuitive. The person can use different types of crystals, black tourmaline, selenite, black obsidian. All of those, again, help you ground, and the selenite helps keep entities away, dark energies away. It's called frozen white light, and it is extremely great crystal to have on hand. Another thing is to do handcrafts where you're using an entirely different part of your mind and being creative at the same time. So the whole thing is to try to balance what you're doing as an intuitive, which is in your head, a foot off the ground, doing your energy work, readings, or whatever, with things that will anchor you to the earth, like the moving meditation, like the bath by the handcrafts and stuff. So keep those in mind. Research, practice, try a little bit of everything. Find out what works the best for you and follow it. Those will be the way that you keep sane, even at the same time as you're using your intuition all the time. Caring for your intuitive self was the topic. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and leave comment or questions, and we'll get back on your next video.